Hey guys, this is my brother's YouTube channel, but I'm doing a video today, and yeah, so but before we get the video started, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and click the bell to get notified when we do a new video. So, today we're going to be showing you how to make edible slime with gummies. Like, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what kind. Oh yeah, and this is my brother who owns this channel. And you need like this brand of gummies to do it. You need this brand.
And then after you do it,
or you don't have to use that brand. That's just the brand that we used to make the slime. And so yeah. Okay, so I'll be back real quick. I'll watch him do whatever he's doing right now.
I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
Not this time.
Oh my god, that junk stuff. Oh, I cannot. My ankle.
What? Yours sucks?
Hey. Yeah, mine sucks. Sorry, guys. Oh shit. All right, we're gonna just, after you follow all her rules, your slime maybe end up like this, but not like them bonkers. All right, she makes a lot of slime, guys. I think she'll show you guys one of her slime collections.
Yeah, I might, cause like,
and I'm gonna play some music.
Don't pick regular music. Bro, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so like, this is like one that I made before the video, and like it worked out pretty good. Okay, get out of here. So like, and I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Sincere Scott 9 Smash. Make sure you follow me, subscribe, and show love to my channel. So like, the gummies are melted in here. Look. They don't look very tasty, but you mix them. You get a spoon, a regular. Don't get a plastic spoon. I just want to tell you that. Don't use a plastic spoon. So yeah, like, okay, so like, yeah, that's how it looks. And then flour's edible. So yeah, we use this kind of flour, but you can use any flour that you have. Yeah.
Now you do not want to follow.
And then you pour like a lot of flour inside, like yeah, a lot.
Now you do not want to follow me, because look how bad my slime looks.
His came out bad, so like if he does another video, don't watch it.
Yeah,
mine came out good. This is mine. Mine came out good.
Well, you do watch my channel. I do gaming. But I'm just gonna take this outside.
Okay, so yeah, that's my other one. So I'm making another one for you guys. It's hot, like, so don't touch it. Use a spoon. Use the spoon to mix out. Yeah, as I just told you, don't do what I just did. I just touched it, and it burnt my finger. Sorry, I'm trying to be so professional right now, but I can't. Okay, so yeah. It's edible. You can eat it. Yeah, it's edible. So, you guys, you can eat it, actually.
Make sure you subscribe.
And before, if you do this video, make sure you make sure you ask your parents before you do this video.
And make sure you subscribe to my best YouTuber, Jeffy, and Toad, and
but yeah, don't pay attention to him because he's just like ruining the video.
It's my channel.
My phone died, so yeah. I'm doing this video on his channel, but if my phone didn't die, I'd be doing this on my channel. But, yeah.
Well, if her phone didn't die, my phone didn't die, me and her would do it.
Yeah, we'd both be doing it together. He would be doing his intro and stuff, but yeah, it takes a little while, and don't need it. Like, ask your parents to feel it or something. Like, because you don't want to, like, you have to use your hand at one point. But, like, ask a parent or someone who, like, can take the hotness, like, and then ask them to, like, knead it for you. Like, pretend it's, like, real slime. It's, like, real slime. So, like, you knead it with your hand. You go with your hand and start kneading it. Like so.
Bye-bye, Daddy's nipples.
This is how it comes out at first. So, like, it's, like, breakable. Yeah, it's, like, not, like, fully slime because, like, you can break it. Yeah, like, look at this one. Look. This is the one I made before. And you can break it. And at the end of the, like, when I'm done with this slime that I'm making right now, we're gonna try it.
Ew.
My brother's a fan of Jeffy, so if you can hear it, don't listen to it. And yeah, like, before when I said to use a spoon, but when I said to use a spoon, it's actually like, don't start kneading it until, like, you know that it's, like, mixed together, because you don't want to like mix it and then, like, notice that it's, like, not even made inside, because that's what I did earlier when I made my first version of it. And yeah, as you can see, it's, like, sticking to my hand, so I need more flour.
Make sure.
And it's gonna be, like, kind of sticky, so, like, don't just, like, if your parents are not really a big fan of slime and don't like messes, this probably isn't the right thing for you to be doing.
Yeah, but we do other channel, like, I do other things, but I didn't post them yet, but
He is a gamer.
I am a gamer. I play GTA.
Yeah, he's a gamer.
I'm a legit gamer, and I play Fortnite. Yes, I do!
He does play those games, but he's not, like, a famous person. He's not, like, that good at them.
I am good at GTA. Well, kinda.
I didn't say you weren't good at them. I said you're not that good at them. That still means you're good, but not that good. And yeah, don't rub it, because that's what I did. It's, like, sticking to my palm. Like, so I'm gonna throw it back in the flour. Like, put flour on it and let it sink in the flour and stuff.
Alright, make sure to buy our merch. Well, we don't have merch yet, but we're gonna get some merch.
He's lying. Don't listen to him. We don't have merch. We're still kids. Like, I just don't have merch. Yeah. So let's just skip that. Oh, and yeah, this is, like, my brother's first actual good video that he's posted on his channel. Which you guys probably, like, we're not famous YouTubers, so, like, not a lot of people are probably going to see this video. Okay, so, yeah. When I'm done making this, like, this is kind of a long video.
You want to let's show my merch.
No, he's going to show you one of his shirts. He's going to pretend it's merch, but it's really not.
My merch.
You could just... It's a shirt. It's a regular shirt. You can buy it from Burlington. You can get it from Burlington.
Well, it's my merch.
He wants to call it his merch, but it's Burlington's merch because he got it from Burlington.
Alright, I'll see my merch.
I'm sorry that, like, we're wasting your time with this fake merch and stuff. Yeah, I'm so sorry. We're not really good YouTubers.
Well, we did have shirts though.
Oh, on my channel, Sincere Scott 9 Smash. I have no merch on my channel. But like, if you wanna like show that you're a fan of me, like, you know those people who like you can go to a designer and then you can just type in my YouTube name. But yeah, so we don't really have merch. Yeah, my hands are dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna start kneading it because it's cold. It's like not even warm. It's like freaking. It's like not cold, but it's not warm. Like it's not cold, but like it's like warm, but like not. You can't even feel the hot. Just say.
And remember, guys,
it's basically warm. Yeah.
Double like, subscribe.
Smash! Don't smash his like button. Just kidding. Do smash it because he has no supporters. So
smash like this.
Don't smash your phone. Trying to smash for him.
That sounds so wrong. Smash.
You don't. This is supposed to be kid friendly, bro.
Kick that subscribe button.
Don't kick the subscribe button. He's a liar. You're not supposed to do that.
Make sure you go to my favorite YouTuber. He's the one.
Don't. If your parents don't let you watch cuss words, don't subscribe to Jeffy. Ever.
You're not Jeff.
Ever.
Subscribe to Child Wild Play.
Oh, subscribe to Karina Garcia.
And B.
Okay, but subscribe to Karina Garcia. She's like a really good person. I love her. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers. Like,
and subscribe to Collins Key and his brother.
You can subscribe to those people. I watch Collins Key videos. Yeah. This one is the other one that I made first. They're breakable. I didn't bite it. I was just like,
Tito, come outside.
Well, I did bite it, but like, I didn't like swallow it. I was just like biting it and then I left it alone. And you know, like excess flour, like if you're not a wasting person like me, just pour the extra flour back into the flour thing, because like you don't want to waste flour. Like people would kill for flour, even though like you can't really, like you don't, like flour has no taste. So like, but this is made out of gummies, so like it's gonna have a taste. Yeah, so I'm done, and my brother is gonna come right now, Theron. My brother's gonna come when he's not being a retard. He's gonna come and try the slime.
What slime? Oh, you made some for me?
Yeah, here. This one.
Oh, there you go.
And then after, use a sponge or a napkin to clean up your mess, because you don't want to make your parents, like, you don't want your parents to get mad at you. And if you have a brother like mine and you're doing a video with your brother, he probably did not clean up his mess, and the sister's doing all of it for him, so he doesn't get in trouble. Yeah, so guys, make sure you ask your parents before you try something on YouTube, because you don't want to like get in trouble by it, like him.
I didn't get it. Oh, this is hard.
And like the gummy is not gonna come out of the bowl easily, but like try your best, okay? Try your best. And make sure it's a glass bowl that is microwave friendly.
And make sure you subscribe to my best YouTuber I ever watches, Venus Gaming.
Me. It's me.
Oh, what's his name?
Don't watch Jelly or any of those people unless you're
Jelly! Kuka! Logo Man!
Don't watch any of those people.
They're GTA players if you want.
Well, if you're a GTA player, just make your own videos about GTA. Don't watch those stupid people who cuss and stuff. And who are bad influences. Like my brother, who is
And make sure you subscribe to Equal Hilarious.
Don't listen to him. Don't subscribe to any of those people. While I'm cleaning up his mess, plus my mess, which means one person who's trying to be a good person and clean up their beautiful, horrible mess. And since you don't if you're gonna clean it up, make sure you leave it in boiling water to get the gummy off, so you don't have any gummy on your bowls and stuff when your parents use it and they see gummy. Yeah, if you are the person who washes the dishes, make sure you clean the stuff that you did. Keto, come in my butt. Keto, come in my butt. Keto, come outside. Keto, come in my butt. Keto, come in my butt. So, yeah,
stay awesome.
Darren, you need to take a bite with me.
But what?
The slime. It smells good. What are you talking about? It smells great. What are you talking about? It's good. Pretty good.
Never try that, bro.
He's lying. It's actually really good. He has messed up taste buds. Well, guys, I'm telling him to stop lying because it's really good. And make sure you try this at home if you're allowed to. And clean up your mess like I'm doing. And so yeah, we're gonna end the video because we tried them. They were delicious. And smash that like button, subscribe, leave comments down below, and comment what you liked most about this video.
Remember,
which is probably nothing you liked about this video, but whatever.
Remember,
and Darren.
Oh shit.
You have to stay tuned, and then you have to say bye. Stay tuned. Bye.